What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Oh, we got a dip. There's so many dips here. There we go. Yeah, what's going on? We are out and about, having a little fun, going on a little cruise. We got GhostNinja on the back.
What's up, people?
So we wanted to go for a little ride. It's a nice day out, and we're gonna go find some random park that looks pretty cool. And we're also probably, maybe, almost positively, at the end of this video, maybe gonna do the SCMM 2018 giveaway. For the
time.
yeah, better late than never, I guess. But yeah, so stay tuned for that, and let's go have some fun. I've literally never been down this way. Have you?
Mm-mm.
There's a piece of wood up there. That's there. It's just hanging out.
It's normal.
Yeah. This feels like really like country-ish. Well, that's a cool little house.
We do live in the middle of nowhere.
We do. Oh.
Was that it?
That was it.
Yard sale.
Oh.
Want to take home the mirror?
I don't know if we can carry anything. Oh, this is gonna be a tight one.
I'll wear it on my back.
Alright, we're going into dirt.
Oh, wow, okay.
That's like a tiny little road. Okay, yeah, here.
It says Simpson Park, pointing that way.
That's exactly where we're going.
Ooh, at least it's paved nice.
Yeah, well look at that house.
Hey.
I would totally buy a house over here. Dude, that house right there looks really freaking cool.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks like almost like a Disney, like a
Princess Castle.
Yeah, well that one's cool too. Look at that. That one looks cool. Yeah.
Oh wow. Where's we going? The house is so dull. Who said vehicles in park after hours will be locked inside?
I didn't see what time it closes. Did you?
No.
Well that's not good.
I'm assuming it's not now.
Speed bump. I don't like. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what time. We should have looked. It's 4:58. I imagine it closes probably like 7.
Probably.
Or we're gonna have to lift the bike up.
Over a fence.
Yeah, over the fence. Does someone like live up here? Speed bump. Oh shit.
That's a speed bump, yo.
Oh, I can feel it hit the bottom and even going slow. Another one. Jesus.
Uh-oh.
That's a big ass speed bump. What is this? It's an antenna. Oh, damn it. 7 to 7 p.m. Okay, cool. What?
You got close to the edge.
You didn't say nothing? You were just gonna let me fall off. You're a horrible passenger.
Sorry.
Hold on.
You still have a good couple inches.
She's just gonna let me roll right off. Didn't even care. I have a feeling next week I'm gonna ride in the rain. It's supposed to rain next week. It's so weird. Like, we have weather like this, super hot, and then next week, rain. Yeah.
Ooh, donut.
That sounds delicious. I don't know, didn't we get
tried
donuts?
those.
Yeah, it was not very, it was like whatever, huh?
Not good.
Yeah.
They were like dry. I want Krispy Kreme donuts.
You always do that.
Just that time.
Yeah, I'm not, even Krispy Kreme, I'm like, they're good, but it's not like, I like the wind chills, or whatever one we got last time.
I'm gonna slap you.
Why? They're way better.
I have nothing to say.
I mean, we could pull over and just take pictures. If you find a nice one, then you can get attacked by bees. You should do one. Do one for the club. Jump in. Alright, here, I'll push you.
Oh, you would.
I need Instagram pictures too.
You have more Instagram pictures than I do. Seems how you take them of me and then don't send them to me.
Because you don't ask for them.
I always tell you, you take a picture of me, send it to me, so I can post it.
And then I send it and you don't post it.
Ugh, that last one you posted, I don't have.
Oh.
Oh, I'm getting on now.
Yep. Okay, we do this.
Off-roading. Woo. Donkey.
Look at all that ass. Where's the zebras?
They're usually right over there.
Oh, we got the...
The longhorns.
We must come here. Right here.
What is you? Hello?
Girl! Hi! Look at that tongue!
It's cute. Oh, his arm was twitching. The camel moles are all the way back there.
I don't see zebras, but he is awesome.
The zebra is right there by that fence. They had the fence open yet. Oh, he licked me.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that tongue.
Hey, friend.
Oh, man, why are you going away?
Doesn't like you.
He doesn't. Dude, that's so cool.
Kinda want the donkey to come over here.
Yeah.
We should have got carrots.
He's eating, like...
The leaf?
Yeah. Get down!
Sit on your butt. Okay. I hold you. Look. Got your toothbrush. I got your toothbrush. Let go. Let go. I got your toothbrush.
I think he might mind more than you think.
Joel, you want more? Come here. Lord.
Come on, Thor, go brush your teeth.
You guys realize he's totally toddler age.
Sit.
Yeah, he's so distracted. Everything's like, there's so much
Stay.
going on.
And he's never out
Nope.
there, so you guys
No.
have a situation.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so first off, I want to apologize and thank you guys all in the same time. I know it's been a long time, and I should have done this like a long time ago. But a year, yeah, almost a year ago. But I knew it had to happen before SCMM 2019. So with that said, this is what we're going to be giving away. We're going to be giving away 2 self-canceling turn signal add-ons that you can install on your bike, as well as 1 brake light module, which will basically flash your brakes anytime you engine brake. So it'll turn them on for you no matter what. So you always have your engine brakes on. With each one of these, of course, I'll give a sticker, one of my stickers, a key tag, and I should be able to hook you up with each a shirt as well from BAM right here. So you each get that. So it's a good little package. I feel like it's a good little.
It's a decent giveaway.
It's a decent little giveaway. I'm gonna make it. Yeah, we'll throw in some extra goodies.
Couple random
things. So you'll get a good box.
Yes.
I would ask if it'd be cool if you just tag me in it, let me know you got it, all that good stuff. So if you guys recall, last year at SCMM, while I was selling my merch, I said anyone that bought anything, I was going to enter into a raffle. And that's what we have here. So what I'll do is we'll draw 3 names, and if I can't reach you, I'll give you...
If you can't reach them within, let's say, a week.
Yeah, if I can't get a hold of you within a week, I'll draw someone else's name and pick someone else. But at least that gives us time. I think I got phone numbers or emails, all that good stuff on here. So let's go ahead and do this. There you go. I don't even know if you guys can hear this, but he's like talking. So he's... Will you shut up? I'm trying to make a video here.
He's got to tell you which house you're in. You're holding it. So
Of course.
Okay.
Of course, Gryffindor.
Okay.
I mean, I'm just, you know, we knew this already. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do this, and
We're gonna go ahead and turn him upside down. We're gonna take these and throw them in there.
so we got
I'm not gonna actually show you because there's people's info, I think phone numbers, but
You don't need that
you
information?
can kind of see there's a lot of stuff in there. And I'll let you pick. All right, ready?
First one. Here we go. I'm not looking.
All right, we got a name. Jester on 2. What up, bro? Anyways, so you won one. And we'll do the turn signal giveaway. So you get the turn signal giveaway, a shirt, sticker, key tag, and whatever other goodies that we just throw in the box for you. So make sure I will hit you up, let you know you won, and like I said, if I don't get any feedback within a week, then we'll pick someone else. But I'm pretty sure I got you. All right, gonna mix it up again. Oh, I'll make it. Okay, let me mix it up. Do some little. You get.
No. Don't.
No?
Don't.
No? Okay, she said no.
Just don't.
Okay, and sorry if it's a little like noisy. We got washer and dryer going and stuff. So, anyways, Adam and DJ, really? Like, right? It works. I was like, first I was like, is that really Adam? Yeah. So Adam and DJ, you won. We'll go ahead and do a brake light module. Yeah. Actually, here's a KTM. You might already have it. Anyways, we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure we'll just get you the brake light module and again, shirt stuff. And I'm pretty sure I can reach you, no problem. So I'll hit him up and give him a week as well. So, all right, one more. Okay, your turn. Your turn. All right, what we got? Pam. I'm just gonna say Pam. Is that Pam?
Paul?
Or Paul? Is that Paul? I can't read. Paul. S. I'm not gonna say your last name or any of your info, but Paul, I'm gonna shoot you an email because you left me your email, and we're gonna see if we can get a hold of you. Or if you watch the video, DM me or something and let me know your email address. Paul S. I think it's S. Yeah. If I can't get a hold of him, I'll draw another name in a week from today. Today's Saturday, so next Saturday I'll draw another name. And I don't know if I'll do it in a video, or maybe I'll just do Instagram Live.
Instagram.
Yeah, or an Instagram Live or something like that.
It makes more sense.
But yeah, we'll do that. And that's it. And you're getting the self-canceling turn signal. Yes, self-canceling turn
You
signal.
butchered that.
Yeah,
So
I
we're
did.
going to go ahead and put the rest of these back in here just in case none of you guys reach out to us.
Yeah, if we can't get a hold of you, we got everyone else in it, and we'll go from there. So, again, I apologize, but better late than never. At least we're doing it. And, yeah, appreciate it. Hopefully I see you guys all at SCMM. SCMM is right around the corner. I literally I didn't realize, I think Chuckster was saying it was like 10 weeks. Man, that is really loud. Hopefully you guys come out to SCMM 2019.
I'll be there.
If she'll be there. It's not at the Desert Lodge. It's at Del Reyes next door.
Right next
so we're moving next door. So if you don't got your room, book your room there, not at the Desert Lodge. It'll be cheaper for you anyways. And other than that, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a fun day, beautiful day. It's actually supposed to rain all next week again. So yeah, it's going to be kind of crappy. But, I mean, we got the Daytona. We out running. I'm waiting for my other bike to come back from Impact Tech. And then I'll make a video with that. But with that said, I can't talk.
He's doing a struggle, guys.
Yeah, I'm on the struggle bus today. With that said, I think we're done. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed.
Follow our Instagram.
Follow our Instagrams right here. I guess that's where we're putting it.
Whenever we post.
Yeah, we post pretty often. And other than that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, or whatever time it is that you're watching this. Enjoy yourself, ride safe, all that good stuff. Peace. No? Oh, okay. All right, see.
1, 2, 3.
See you next time.